Let us discuss how blood circulates in human heart. Human heart has got 4 chambers: left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. Now, oxygen is absorbed by lungs. So lungs have got oxygen. Now the blood becomes oxygenated. This oxygenated blood is brought into the heart by pulmonary vein. Remember, blood is transported into the heart by veins. If it is vein is carrying oxygenated blood, then it will be pulmonary vein, and if it is carrying deoxygenated blood, then it is vein. Okay, so pulmonary vein brings oxygenated blood from lung to the left auricle. From left auricle it passes into left ventricle. From left ventricle this oxygenated blood is carried by arteries. Remember, blood from heart to various body parts is carried by arteries. If it is carrying oxygenated blood, then it will be artery, and if deoxygenated blood is to be carried from the heart, then it will be pulmonary artery. यानी हार्ट से जो भी खून बाहर निकलेगा, जो भी ब्लड बाहर निकलेगा वो आर्टरी ले जाएगी. If it is oxygenated, then artery, and if it is deoxygenated, then it is pulmonary artery. So first cycle is from lungs, oxygenated blood goes into left atrium, then to left ventricle, and then this deoxygenated blood is carried by arteries to the various body parts. Now these various body cells will utilize the oxygen and will give out carbon dioxide. So the blood will become deoxygenated. This deoxygenated blood is then carried by veins into the right atrium, then to right ventricle, and then this deoxygenated blood is carried by pulmonary artery back to the lungs for oxygenation. So in this you can say human heart double circulation of blood is happening. First, oxygenated blood is passing from left atrium to left ventricle and then to various body part. Secondly, deoxygenated blood is passing from body via veins to right atrium, then to right ventricle, and then back to the lungs. So there is double circulation of the blood, as the blood is passing through the heart twice in a single cycle. You can say it like you can draw a flow chart in this way also, that pulmonary vein, your cycle will start from pulmonary vein which is carrying oxygenated blood from lungs will give it to left atrium, left ventricle, then this oxygenated blood will be carried by aorta. This aorta will further divide into various arteries to supply oxygen to various body parts except lung. Then the deoxygenated blood will be carried by veins, and all the veins will combine together to form vena cava, and then this vena cava will supply deoxygenated blood to right atrium, then to right ventricle, to pulmonary artery, and finally this pulmonary artery will supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. In this way, cycle of circulation of blood continues in human heart. Now let's try to explain this again with the help of this diagram. Red color shows oxygenated blood and blue color shows deoxygenated blood. First of all, your cycle will start from pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein will bring oxygenated blood from lung. So first step is pulmonary vein will bring oxygenated blood from lungs. And when this pulmonary vein will bring oxygenated blood from lungs, then this left atrium will relax so as to receive this oxygenated blood. After relaxing, when it has got this oxygenated blood, it will contract so as to decrease its volume, and in turn this left ventricle will relax so as to receive oxygenated blood. Once it has received this oxygenated blood, now it will contract so as to pump blood out of the heart. This oxygenated blood will be carried by aorta to various body parts except lung. So your first cycle, oxygenated blood will be carried by pulmonary vein into left atrium, from left atrium, it will go to the left ventricle, and from ventricle the oxygenated blood will be pumped through aorta to all the body parts except lung. So this is your first cycle. Now the deoxygenated blood, once this aorta has supplied oxygenated blood to various body parts except lung, all the body cells will use oxygen and will supply deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood will be carried by veins. Now all the veins will combine together into vena cava. Upper vena cava means all the veins of head and thoracic cavity, and lower vena cava is the area of veins combining together below lungs. So there will be lower vena cava, upper vena cava. This vena cava will bring deoxygenated blood. It will bring deoxygenated blood from various body cells, and they will give deoxygenated blood into right atrium. When from right atrium, it will go to right ventricle, and from right ventricle it will go to the lungs. It will go back to the lungs by pulmonary artery for oxygenation. So this is your second cycle, vena cava giving deoxygenated blood to right atrium, right ventricle, and back to the lungs by pulmonary artery. So this heart has got double circulation of blood, and oxygenated blood is completely separated from deoxygenated blood.